All right, we are dipping our mini dessert cakes in our white melting chocolates, just the bottom, so we can get a nice coating on the bottom of each of these. We're gonna do that super quick with all 12 of our cakes. All right, got that last one coated. Now we're gonna pop these into the fridge. All right, while those cakes are in the fridge, I'm gonna grab a medium bowl and I'm gonna add my pistachio instant pudding. This is the 3.3 ounce, and we're gonna add that whole entire box right into our bowl. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of cold milk into our pudding. Perfect. Ooh, look at that beautiful pastel green. It's gonna go so great for this dessert, and we are going to whisk this real good. We wanna make sure that that powder gets fully dissolved into our milk so we can get a thick and yummy pistachio pudding. Now I'm using the pistachio because it has this beautiful pastel green, but if you don't like pistachio, you can just do a vanilla pudding and add some green dye, or a white chocolate or cheesecake, but me and my family, we love pistachios. So I'm just gonna whisk this until it is thick.
Whisk it real good.
All right, look how beautifully thick that is. This is ready for our next ingredient, which is gonna be some Cool Whip. And I know you guys, some of you guys don't like Cool Whip, but I love it. And I'm just gonna do a few scoops of Cool Whip in there. We don't need too much. So we're only making 12 little cakes. So we're gonna use about that much Cool Whip in there. And then we're gonna grab our matching spatula and we're gonna fold in our Cool Whip. We wanna make sure we don't add too much Cool Whip because we wanna keep that pretty green color, but we're just folding this in so that the Cool Whip doesn't defluff. This smells so good. I absolutely love the pistachio pudding because it just has the best aroma, but we are making this super easy treat for Easter. This is gonna be so fun, so easy. You can make it with the kids. You just have that white chocolate, the sweet cakes, and our yummy pudding concoction. So let's go ahead and get this nice and mixed. All right, and this is ready. Now I already pulled out our little dessert cakes, and let's go ahead and look at the bottom of those. Ooh, so fun. I love this little textured sheet pan because it makes it easier to remove the chocolate from. But we're gonna go ahead and grab our ice cream scoop here, and you know it, we're gonna scoop our delicious pistachio Cool Whip mixture onto each of our cakes, making sure not to overflow them. Don't worry if they look a little wonky at first, because we will flatten them out. But we're just gonna add a nice little pocket of our delicious pudding mixture right in there. So we have the white chocolate with that cake and now the pistachio. Ooh, and don't worry, we are gonna decorate these to make them look extra festive. All right, we got our last one in there. And these are ready to be decorated. Now I'm gonna start off with Easter's favorite treat, a peep. Look how cute that is. And we have a variety of color of peeps that we're just gonna place right on top of our yummy little dessert cakes. And you could honestly stop right here and this would be absolutely adorable. But I have one more thing, my favorite Easter treat that I can eat all in one sitting, and that is some Cadbury eggs. Our little Easter chicks need to be hatching some eggs. And we're gonna add about 3 eggs per cake. Oh my God, it looks like they're sitting on their little nests of eggs. It's so cute. All right, it is time to pick one of these and enjoy. I think I'm gonna stick with this guy right here. I love purple, so, and I have my little plate here. Oh, it is time to dig in. I cannot wait. I want a Cadbury egg. I want some of that white chocolate. And of course, the pistachio. Oh, do you hear that crack of the chocolate?
Ooh, yum.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Happy Easter, everyone.